In this problem, we have a density function which is kx square, and the interval is defined as -3 to +3. So in order to calculate this k value, we have to make the integration under this in range -3 to +3 equals to 1. That is the basic condition of the probability density function, that is area under the given range, that is integral -3 to +3 density function f of x dx is equals to 1. Whenever the f of x is a valid density function, then the area under the given interval should be equals to 1. You have to make it equals to 1 so that you will get the expected value of k. Now we know f of x is given as kx square. Substitute f of x as kx square in this, that is -3 to +3 kx square dx equals to 1. K is constant, keep it outside, and integration of x square is x cubed by 3. When you apply the limits, x is equals to -3 to +3 equals to 1, and when you simplify this, k into, when you substitute the upper limit, this becomes a 3 cubed by 3, that is a 27 by 3 minus, and for the lower limit, -3 whole cube is -27 by 3, minus of minus becomes plus 2 times of 27 by 3. Let me simplify this so that get the k value as okay, fine. Let me write this. We get it as 2 times of 27 by 3 is equals to 1, and simplification, this becomes 9, and k is already there as a coefficient, so it comes as 18k is equals to 1. Therefore k value will become 1 by 18. Just you have to make the area or the integral value equals to 1, and when you integrate you will get the required k value. The second question, probability of x less than or equals to 2. Next question in this, finding probability of x less than or equals to 2. In case of continuous random variable x, we have to evaluate the integral, in which the upper limit is denoted by this function. This upper limit, what is the value we have? 2. And we have a function f of x which is kx square in the range of -3 to +3. Random variable x values are -3 to +3, and just now we got a k value which is 1 by 18. Just now we got k value which is 1 by 18, so x square by 18 in the interval -3 to +3. Now we have to evaluate x less than or equals to 2. So the lower limit from the given range becomes -3. Lower limit for the integral is -3, and the upper limit we are expecting up to 2. So that this you can write it as probability of x less than or equals to 2 is nothing but -3 to +2 f of x dx. So when you simplify this, -3 to +2, f of x is x square by 18, and when you integrate this, you will get -3 to +2 x square by 18 dx. This we are supposed to evaluate. So 1 by 18 is constant, and the integration of x square is x cubed by 3. Limits are -3 to +2. After substituting the limits, we will get 2 cubed by 3 minus -3 cubed by 3. And when you simplify, this is 1 by 18. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 3 minus 27. Minus of minus becomes plus 27 by 3. The LCM becomes 3, so that this you can write it as LCM is 3. 8 plus 27, which is 35. 35 by 3 into 18, and when you simplify it comes around 35 by 54. C is the probability value of sound. So you are supposed to consider the limits. What are the upper limit for the integral and what is the lower limit? Then from the given range you will get it minus 3. X less than or equals to 2 means under the given interval minus 3 to plus 2 area you are supposed to calculate. And the next question, I think it is x greater than or equals to 1. Yeah, strictly x greater than 1. In case of continuous function, greater than or equals to or greater than both are same only. So let me take finding probability of x greater than 1. In case of continuous function, first let us see what is the given function we have. What is the given function in this case? F of x is equals to kx square in the interval minus 3 to plus 3. And you know k value is 1 by 18, so this is x square by 18 in the interval minus 3 to plus 3. And now we have to evaluate x greater than or equals to 1. It means we have to evaluate the area x greater than or equals to 1, and the upper limit we have, this is x less than or equals to plus 3 and greater than or equals to minus 3. Greater than 1 and less than 3. So upper limit for the integral is 3 and the lower limit is 1. More than 1 and less than 3. That's what the area we're supposed to calculate now. So let me see. 1 to 3. X greater than or equals to 1 to 3 f of x dx, and we know f of x is x square by 18, so x square by 18 dx. Simplify, get 1 by 18 into integration of x square is x cubed by 3. Limits are 1 to 3. After substituting the limits, it comes as 3 cubed by 3, 27 by 3 minus 1 by 3 comes as 26 by 84. When you simplify further, you get it as 1 by 18 into this is 26 by 3. Further simplification is 26 by 54. This is the way how we are supposed to calculate the integrals.